love items like this one for my kids. This princess craft kit is so much fun and has multiple ways that it can be played with. This is how you would receive this. When you open the box, this has straps for easier carrying and taking on the go. It opens up like a book. On the left are many, many pages of princesses that can be crafted with, and the right side has the accessories. This also comes with instructions for how to play with this. Pages A1 through A5 are for adding makeup, colored eyes, and jewelry. The makeup is real and is easy to wipe off of your child if they get it on themselves. The eyes and the jewelry are stickers that you can find at the back of the book. Then the next section of princess crafts are for diamond art. This comes with everything needed to create the diamond art. Remove the plastic covering, and then parts of the dress are sticky for the diamonds to stick to. Then take the pen that it comes with, dab onto the pink wax, pour the diamonds into the tray, then use the pen to pick up a diamond and stick it to the princess's dress. The next section of crafts are for foil art. Foil art is also so fun and unique. This comes with really pretty foils. We remove pieces of the princess's dress. We press the foil with the colored side up and rub it over that sticky piece. Then remove the foil, and the foil sticks to the sticky part of the dress, giving it a super cool look. The last 4 of the crafts that this has are being able to give the princesses a manicure. There are stickers at the back of the book that look like nail polish for us to mix and match or keep all together to create really pretty manicures. This princess craft kit is great, and we are so glad this was gifted to us from the seller to tell you all about. It's nice to have crafts like this that can easily be taken on the go, especially with the handle that this case has, but also that it can be used anywhere because they are quiet and also come with everything we need for each craft. My daughter loves this, and I love how she can play with this all on her own with less mess while getting to use her creativity. We love it and we highly recommend it.